What simplifications occur in Creole languages? Have you ever wondered how languages can transform and adapt over time? Creole languages are fascinating examples of this process. They arise when different languages come together, often in colonial or trade settings. Initially, these languages start as pidgins, which are simplified forms of communication. As communities adopt these pidgins as their native languages, they evolve into what we call creoles. Now, let's look at some of the simplifications that occur in Creole languages. First, we have grammar. Creole languages usually have simpler grammatical structures compared to the languages they come from. For instance, many creoles do not use inflectional endings. In other languages, these endings indicate tense, number, or case. Instead, creoles might use separate words or particles to express these ideas. For example, rather than changing a verb to show future action, a creole might just add a word like go to indicate what will happen. Next, we can talk about pronunciation and phonology. Creole languages often have simpler sound systems than their parent languages. This means they tend to have fewer distinct sounds. A great example is Haitian Creole, which has a more straightforward vowel system compared to French. This simplification makes it easier for speakers from various backgrounds to pronounce words. Another interesting aspect is vocabulary. Creoles typically blend words from different languages, creating a unique mix. This vocabulary often includes terms from European languages, African languages, and indigenous languages. This mix reflects the rich cultural influences present in Latin America. Understanding these simplifications is particularly important when we consider Latin American history and Afro-Latin American identity. Creole languages representing the cultural exchanges that occurred during colonial times. They symbolize the blending of different cultures and the emergence of new identities. Additionally, the simplicity of Creole languages has made communication easier among diverse groups. This was especially important for trade and social interactions in multicultural environments. Creoles also play a vital role in shaping Afro-Latin American identities, as they are often linked to specific cultural and historical contexts. In summary, the simplifications in Creole languages highlight how communities adapt and create new forms of expression. They showcase the importance of language in shaping cultural identities and facilitating communication across different groups.